Hey, what's up everybody? So we're gonna do a little bit of a throwback with this video. This is an old video that we had uploaded to our other YouTube channel, which we're taking down now as I focus on this current channel. But anyways, yeah, it's pretty neat. We're out here in the garage. We're working, or Addie's working at least, on painting some new side tables for us. But yeah, maybe we'll show this in another video. But enjoy this video of Beech Mountain. It's not the most in-depth video. It's a pretty quick compilation of our trip and our time on the slopes. But hope you enjoy it anyway, and make sure you stick around for the end. There's a bonus clip of Winston as a puppy. I think he just left us, but you can see him at the end. So. Anything else, Addie?
I don't think so. Enjoy my really bad skiing.
Oh yeah, she had a great time, so
bad.
You will too. All right, thanks guys.
Bye.
Where are we, guys?
We are in Beech Mountain,
North Carolina, and we're on our way to go skiing, or they're gonna go snowboarding, but I'm gonna do skiing.
Yeah.
It's my first time, and I'm gonna be awful at it, but it's gonna be a lot of fun. And I'll probably fall down a lot, but we'll get some good videos.
Yeah, Aiden and I have been snowboarding once before. I have video of that. I'll probably cut it in here somewhere. We'll probably just add my old footage to this video.
I'm much better than him, by the way.
Yeah.
We'll have to find that out today. I'll be the judge.
Okay.
Yeah, but
No biased opinions.
so, all right, we will see you guys on the slopes.
Alrighty.